Good. Melting is a process, okay, in which a solid gets converted into its liquid form. Clear? A solid gets converted into its liquid form. That is what known as melting. And the another name for melting is fusion. Fusion also is the same. Clear?
Yeah.
What is evaporation? What is
Change the
evaporation?
water into gases.
Is conversion of a liquid, process of conversion of a liquid
Gaseous form.
into its gas. It is what known as evaporation.
Evaporation.
Yes. What is sublimation? Sublimation.
Process of conversion of solid into gas.
Solid directly into gas
Gas.
without undergoing the liquid state. Very good. Now, what is deposition?
Same. Sublimation and deposition.
Same. Think a little and then tell.
The
What is
process of conversion of gas directly into solid.
conversion of gas into solid is known as
Solid.
solid to gas is known as sublimation. Gas to solid is known as deposition. Direct conversion, always remember. Okay? Now, I'll start sharing the screen. Whatever is now running on this, we have already discussed. Directly, we will go to the interconversion of different states of matter. Interconversion of different states of matter. Solid to liquid, liquid to gas, gas to solid. Okay? This is what we stopped in the last class. At this topic, we just started discussing and then after that we left it. Just now you all have defined conversion of solid to liquid is known as fusion or melting. Conversion of liquid to solid is known as solidification. Conversion of liquid to gas is evaporation or vaporization. Gas to liquid on cooling is known as condensation. Solid to gas on heating is known as sublimation, and gas to solid on cooling is known as deposition, and we can also name it as sublimation. Okay, all these things we have done in the last class. Now moving on to the next one. You all will be writing it down also. Definition of melting, definition of melting point, definition of boiling point. All these things you will try to note it down. Do you want to write or I'll just listen one thing. Do you want to write now and I'll share it on the Snap homework? You will copy from there.
Snap homework. Yes,
Or-
ma'am.
So now we'll go only
Snap homework.
Snap homework.
yes. So now I will only discuss it. Okay. You all will be. Yes.
I've written this melting fusion whole. I've written.
You have written already all these things. Okay. Then no problem is there.
Ma'am.
Very good. Now another new term I will introduce now. Latent heat of fusion. Are you getting this one here? Latent heat of fusion. Is the screen visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Latent heat of fusion is visible here.
Yes, ma'am.
Latent heat. Okay, let me just explain to you first what is this latent heat. Latent means hidden. What is the meaning? Latent means hidden. Yes. This heat remains hidden somewhere. Okay. What actually happens that when we take a little, just try to imagine all these things. Okay. Ice is taken out from the refrigerator. Ice taken out from the refrigerator and it is kept at normal room temperature. Okay. Now what will happen? We all know that ice will get converted into its liquid form. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ice will get converted into its liquid form. And during this conversion, it uses some energy. Okay? During the conversion, it uses some energy.
Energy.
Yes. And that energy remains hidden along with the molecule. Which molecule? The water molecule. Conversion of ice into water. Okay, it needs the energy. And energy remains hidden. This is known as latent heat of fusion. And how do we define it? It is the amount of heat energy required to change 1 kilogram of a solid into liquid at normal atmospheric pressure at its melting point. Okay. Now, melting point. Melting point is the temperature. Melting point is the particular temperature at which any solid starts melting. Okay, under normal atmospheric pressure, because we are discussing whatever thing we are discussing here, all these are under normal atmospheric pressure. Okay, so at the melting point, whatever is the amount of energy required to change 1 kilogram of a solid into liquid. Now just tell me that when we will take out ice and put it over here, is it possible that all the ice will get converted into liquid at once?
No.
It will take some time.
No.
It will take some time.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
if we will dip a thermometer in it, if you can see the diagram over here, ice is taken in the beaker, ice cubes are taken in the beaker, and thermometer is dipped over here. The temperature shown, okay, will be 0 degrees Celsius. What it will be? 0 degrees Celsius.
0 degrees.
Till when? Up to which time? Till each and every piece of ice get converted into water. जब तक सारा का सारा ice cubes पानी में convert नहीं हो जाएगा, थर्मोमीटर का टेम्परेचर 0 डिग्री ही शो करेगा. ठीक है?
और जब सारा आइस मेल्ट हो जाएगा,
हाँ, सारा का सारा आइस, जब सारा आइस मेल्ट हो जाएगा, पूरा का पूरा स्टेट क्या हो गया? लिक्विड. द टेम्परेचर विल इंक्रीज. लेकिन जब तक सारा का सारा आइस मेल्ट नहीं होगा, टेम्परेचर शोन बाय द थर्मोमीटर विल रिमेन 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस.
0 डिग्री.
लेकिन हम जान रहे हैं कि आइस क्यूब्स कंटिन्यूअसली हीट ले रहा है. कहाँ से? सराउंडिंग से. या उसको अगर हम रख दिए किस पर? स्टोव पे, गैस स्टोव पे, तो हीट, हम तो टेम्परेचर प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं कंटिन्यूअसली. वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग द टेम्परेचर. तो वो हीट कहाँ जा रहा है? टेम्परेचर हम प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं, हम उसको कंटिन्यूअसली हीट कर रहे हैं. Continuously the ice cubes taken in a beaker are heated, but there is no increase in the temperature of the thermometer. The temperature of ice remains, that whole container will be 0 degrees Celsius only. It means the heat remains hidden somewhere, जो हमें दिख नहीं रहा है. Heat is there, but it remains hidden. Clear? And that heat is known as latent heat of fusion, latent heat of melting. ओके, और वो छिपा हुआ कहाँ है? With the water molecules. Okay, that remains hidden with the water molecules. अब एकदम simple सा question. If you have a ice cube and you have ice cold water, और कहीं मेरा body में जल गया, we have got a burning sensation somewhere, from anyhow we got burnt. What do you think, which one will be better to apply, ice or ice cold water?
Ice.
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 Ice. Very good
cold
answer.
water.
Ice.
Okay. Why we will not
Ice
prefer
cold
ice
water.
cold water? Because it contains
Because
more
it has
heat.
hidden heat.
The ice cold water, although the temperature is 0 degrees Celsius, ice cold water will show more heat or will contain more heat. ठीक है?
Because it
आइस
has
के
already
पास
melted.
उतना हीट नहीं है जितना हीट किसके पास है? आइस कोल्ड वाटर के
Ice cold water के पास है.
Okay, ice cold water contains latent heat of fusion, जो कन्वर्शन के समय उसके अंदर छिपा हुआ था. Okay, so this is how it is defined as the amount of heat energy required to change पूरा का पूरा 1 kg solid को liquid में convert करना at its melting point is called latent heat of fusion. Okay? Now, this, consider that it is converted. Ice, all the ice now get converted into water. Okay, and we continue heat it. Heating is continuously being done. Now what will happen? See here, water starts
Boiling.
boiling. Slowly, slowly the water will start boiling. आइस कन्वर्ट हो गया वाटर में और वाटर को हम कंटिन्यूअसली हीट कर रहे हैं. What will happen? Water will start boiling. When will water start boiling?
When the temperature is 100 degrees Celsius.
Temperature becomes 100 degrees Celsius. Okay. Before 100 degrees Celsius, it will not start to boil. The reason boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, and then we will get the process of boiling. When a liquid is heated, its particles begin to move even faster. Then at particular temperature, the liquid begins to boil and changes into vapor. Okay, changing into vapor at which temperature? At 100 degrees Celsius. The temperature at which a liquid starts boiling is called its boiling point. And boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius.
100 degrees Celsius.
Okay, and in
100
terms
degrees
of Kelvin,
Celsius.
we can write it as 100 degrees Celsius plus 273. Okay, conversion of degrees Celsius to Kelvin. What we do? We add 273. And Kelvin to degrees Celsius, we will subtract 273.
273 from it.
So this, all these questions you will be doing from the book also at the same time. Now, what happens when we heat? It starts boiling, and slowly, slowly, all the water will get converted into its vapor form. एकदम ध्यान से इस बात को सुनना. When we are boiling a liquid, a water, consider here water I have taken only, because we all know the boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, when water is, it starts boiling. Water molecules will get converted into its vapor form. Is my voice audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So water molecules will now get converted into its vapor. ठीक है? सारा का सारा वाटर किस में कन्वर्ट होगा? वाटर वेपर में. अच्छा मुझे ये बताओ, will all water will get converted into water vapor at once?
No.
अगर हम भगोने में एक छोटा सा कंटेनर में पानी चढ़ा देते हैं गैस स्टोव पे, तो धीरे धीरे in 1 hour or more than an hour, what will happen? All the water will get evaporated. But slowly, slowly we'll find that the level of water gets decreasing. Does it happen?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, if we'll dip a thermometer over here in the boiling water, what temperature will it show?
100 degrees Celsius.
100 degrees Celsius. कब तक? Till when? Till when? That is what you have
The
to
whole
know.
water is vaporized. Till the whole water is vaporized.
Yes, till each and every drop of water gets converted into its vapor form. जब तक सारा का सारा पानी पेपर में कन्वर्ट नहीं हो जाएगा, टेम्परेचर शोन बाय द थर्मोमीटर विल बी 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस.
100 degree.
लेकिन हम तो उसको कंटिन्यूअसली हीट कर रहे हैं. हीटिंग इज कंटिन्यूअसली डन. तो ये हीट कहाँ जा रहा है?
Water molecule.
बताओ, हीट कहाँ जा रहा है? हम तो हीट प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं. इट इज कंटिन्यूअसली हीटेड, लेकिन टेम्परेचर इसका 100 आ रहा है. Where does the heat go?
is hidden in the
Where it remains hidden?
water vapor.
Water molecules.
Very good. The heat remains hidden with the water vapors formed over here. ठीक है. अब इसको हम लोग प्रैक्टिकली कैसे, मतलब एक्सपीरियंस नहीं कर सकते. एक्सपीरियंस करने, आई वोंट से टेल यू टू एक्सपीरियंस इट, बट वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड इट प्रैक्टिकली. ठीक है. वाटर वेपर के टच में अगर बॉडी आता है तो वी गेट मोर बर्निंग सेंसेशन as compared to the boiling water at 100 degrees Celsius. When this steam particle, water vapor at 0 degrees Celsius, steam causes more severe burn than boiling water. Is the sentence clear to you?
Yes,
Steam.
ma'am.
Yes, steam causes more severe burn than boiling water at 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, and the reason is steam contains latent heat of vaporization. What does steam contain?
Latent heat of vaporization.
Latent heat of vaporization. Very good. So steam is having the energy, more heat as compared to the boiling water. Okay, because the heat that we were providing the temperature continuously, we were heating water continuously, लेकिन water का temperature नहीं बढ़ रहा था, तो वो heat कहाँ था? That heat remains hidden with the steam particles which are formed over here. Okay, and that is why two questions, both these questions are very important. Which gives better cooling effect? Ice or ice cold water? Ice gives better cooling effect. What gives better heating effect? Water, boiling water or steam?
Steam.
जिसके पास latent heat होगा, जिसके पास ज्यादा heat होगा, that will give more better heat. That will give more amount of heat. That is why steam causes more severe burn as compared to boiling water. Okay, and this is what known as latent heat of vaporization. You can see the definition written over here. The amount of heat energy required to change 1 kg of a liquid. वहां हमने लिखा था 1 kg of a solid. यहाँ है into gas. वहां था into liquid. Okay, at its, वहां था melting point, यहाँ है at its boiling point. So that is the difference. Latent heat of fusion, latent heat of vaporization. During the conversion of state, states of matter from one state to another, heat is used. and that heat is only known as latent. Clear? And what is the meaning of this term latent? Latent means
Hidden.
Hidden.
yes. That heat is not visible to us. This thermometer. थर्मोमीटर पे वो हमें दिख नहीं रहा है, लेकिन वो है कहाँ? इट इज अलोंग विद द मॉलिक्यूल. कौन से मॉलिक्यूल? कन्वर्टेड स्टेट के. आइस से वाटर में कन्वर्ट हो रहा है तो वाटर के पास है लेटेंट हीट. वाटर से स्टीम में कन्वर्ट हो रहा है, स्टीम के पास है लेटेंट हीट. Okay, this is what known as latent heat of fusion and latent heat of vaporization. Okay, तीसरा sublimation.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, third process, sublimation. Sublimation is the direct change of solid to gas. Okay, or gas to solid. Gas to solid के लिए एक और नाम है, मैंने बताया. What is the another name?
Deposition.
Deposition.
Now this is the arrangement shown in the textbook also, and I have copied it from here. Here also I have copied it. Solid camphor. I think camphor is well known to you all. पता है ना camphor?
Yes, ma'am.
Kapoor.
Kapoor.
Naphthalene पता है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Same way like camphor and naphthalene, we have another substance also, ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride. Formula is NH4Cl. Okay. When ammonium chloride is heated, it undergoes the process of sublimation. Ammonium chloride undergoes the process of sublimation. ठीक है. And what is the arrangement done? This is China dish. जैसे घर में हम लोग यूज करते हैं ना बाउल, इसी तरह से केमिस्ट्री लैब में यूज करते हैं एक बाउल, that is known as China dish.
China dish.
Yes. China dish. In the China dish, ammonium chloride is taken. What is taken? Ammonium chloride.
Ammonium chloride.
Yes. एक हमने लिया इन्वर्टेड फनल. फनल जानते हो ना, जिससे हम लोग छानते हैं.
Yes, ma'am.
घर में स्ट्रेनर यूज करते हैं, लैब में फनल यूज करते हैं. ठीक है, ग्लास का ही बना हुआ होता है. दैट फनल इज इन्वर्टेड ओवर इट. देख रहे हो ना, इन्वर्ट करके उल्टा करके रखा हुआ है. क्लियर? ओपन एंड ऑफ द फनल, ये ओपन एंड ऑफ द फनल है, दैट इज क्लोज्ड विद द हेल्प ऑफ कॉटन प्लग. क्लियर? And all these arrangements are kept over the burner. Burner के ऊपर हमने इसको पूरा arrange कर दिया. It is arranged on the burner. Now just see over here. This is China dish. In the China dish, what is taken?
Ammonium chloride.
Ammonium chloride.
Okay. Yes. What we have done to not allow the vapors to go out?
Cotton.
Fix the cotton.
We have kept an inverted funnel, and the inverted funnel, open end of the inverted funnel is closed with cotton, and it is heated. Okay. What will happen? That this ammonium chloride will directly get converted into its vapor form. किसमें convert हो जाएगा वो? Into
Vapor form.
Okay. And those vapors will get collected on the inner walls of this inverted funnel. Inverted funnel के अंदर वाले दीवार पे, walls पे, वो सारा का सारा वेपर जाके slowly वहाँ collect हो जाएगा. Clear? China dish. From the China dish, ammonium chloride will get sublime. Ammonium chloride will get converted into vapors, and all those vapors will get collected on the inner walls of the
funnel.
Clear? Once we see that now no more ammonium chloride is present here, from somebody's house a lot of sound is coming. Beta, please, if sound is there, mute yourself. Okay. Now, when we will find that no more ammonium chloride is left in the China dish, switch off the burner. Switch off. Okay. And when we switch off the burner, we'll leave it for some time.
It will be on
जब
the
तक कि ये
neck of
ठंडा
the
ना हो जाए.
inverted funnel.
It will be left so that it gets cooled down. Okay. Now just tell me what will happen on cooling.
And the ammonium chloride will stick at the neck of the inverted funnel.
Neck we can say, and or we can say inner walls. All the ammonium chloride, whatever is sublimed from here, whichever undergo sublimation process from here, that will solidify after cooling. It means first solid got converted into vapor, and then vapor is getting solidified. So deposition of ammonium chloride will take place on the inner walls of the inverted funnel. Deposition will take place on inner wall, and this whole process is known as sublimation. Conversion of solid directly to gas and conversion of gas vapors directly into solid. And this way, what will happen? We will get ammonium chloride back. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Same activity is written in your textbook also. You will just go through the textbook once. एकदम ध्यान से textbook को पढ़ोगे आप लोग, ठीक है? All these activities are mentioned over there. Now, let me just ask
Ma'am.
you. Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, when we will burn off that burner, then only it will solidify and stick on the neck of the inverted funnel.
When we'll stop the burner, when we'll switch off the burner, on cooling only it will get solidified. Till the
Ma'am, by
time
burning it will not solidify.
burning, beta, we are not burning it, na? We are heating it. We are heating ammonium chloride. अब मुझे ये बताओ, घर में हम कैम्फर का डब्बा को खुला छोड़ देंगे तो वो कैम्फर को क्या होता है?
Ma'am, it will get exhausted.
Exhausted. What we are supposed to use this word? बेटा साइंस पढ़ रहे हो अब. It will vanish. घर में मम्मी नेपथलीन बॉल्स कपड़े में बांध के रखती है कहीं कहीं, कभी ऑब्जर्व किए हो ये?
Yes, ma'am.
तो क्या वो नेपथलीन बॉल कंटिन्यूअसली वही रहता है हमेशा के लिए?
No, ma'am.
क्या हो जाता है?
Ma'am.
What happens?
It vanishes.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, it vanishes after some
Ma'am, it
time.
vanishes
Yes,
after some
after
time.
some days it gets vanished. So why does it get vanished? क्यों वो अपने आप वो क्यों खत्म हो गया? कहाँ चला गया वो? सोचो, कहाँ चला गया? हमने नेपथलीन को रखा था कपड़े के अंदर, and after some days we find that no more naphthalene is left. सिर्फ कपड़ा रह गया, naphthalene balls उसमें नहीं है. कहाँ गया वो?
It gets converted into vapor. It will later
Changes
change.
its form.
It gets vaporized.
Very good.
Get converted into gaseous form.
Yes, all the naphthalene balls get converted into its vapor form. It means that naphthalene undergoes sublimation at normal room temperature. Same happens in the case of camphor also. कैम्फर में भी अगर हम उसको उसका डब्बा का कैप को खोल कर रख दें, कैम्फर विल आल्सो गेट वैनिश. कैम्फर भी वैनिश हो जाएगा. क्लियर? इट विल अंडरगो सब्लिमेशन. लेकिन अमोनियम क्लोराइड अपने आप से वैनिश नहीं होगा. वी नीड टू हीट अमोनियम क्लोराइड and then only it will get converted into its vapor form. Ammonium chloride will get converted into its vapor form. Okay, now it is heated, the temperature is more. When we will find that no more ammonium chloride is left in the china dish, we will switch off the burner. On cooling only ammonium chloride we will be able to get back ammonium chloride in its solid form only on cooling. जब तक उसको ठंडा नहीं करेंगे तब तक हमें उस सॉलिड अमोनियम क्लोराइड फिर से नहीं मिलेगा. Deposition will take place only on cooling. Are you getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Same way, देखो सब all these things are interrelated. Okay? Evaporation and condensation. Evaporation कब होता है?
When liquid is heated.
Heated.
When liquid
Condensation
is
कब होता है?
when liquid is
When gases is
cooling.
फिर से सोच के बोलो
When
बेटा.
liquid changes into its gaseous form.
Cooling.
When?
On cooling.
On cooling.
Cooling.
Okay. So evaporation and condensation, they both are opposite to one another. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Evaporation takes place on heating. Condensation takes place on cooling. Same way, sublimation. Gas to solid to gas. Solid to gas takes place on heating.
Heating.
Yes. And gas to solid takes place on
Cooling. Cooling.
समझ में आ गई बात?
Yes, ma'am.
Melting takes place on
Heating.
heating. And freezing takes place on
Cooling.
That is what we discussed in the previous class also, that all the three physical states of matter are interconvertible. Solid on heating gets converted into liquid. Liquid on cooling gets converted into solid. Liquid on heating gets converted into gas. Gas on cooling gets converted into liquid. Okay. Solid to gas heating, that is sublimation. Gas to solid, also known as sublimation. देखो वर्ड अलग अलग नहीं है, यहाँ पे सेम वर्ड है, लेकिन हम लोग अपने कन्वीनियंस के लिए क्या करते हैं, इस सेकेंड वाले सब्लिमेशन को गैस टू सॉलिड वाले को दूसरा नाम दे दिए डिपोजिशन. Okay, have you understood the terms now?
Yes, ma'am.
Fusion, melting, दोनों एक है. Solidification, freezing,
Solid
दोनों
is-
एक है. Vaporization, evaporation एक है. Condensation के लिए सिंगल वर्ड है. ये solid to gas sublimation के लिए सिंगल वर्ड है, but gas to solid के लिए हम लोग एक और वर्ड यूज कर सकते हैं, deposition. Okay, is it clear to everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Now what I will do, beta, I will share all these pictures and along with the pictures I will be sharing it on Snap homework. आप लोग ध्यान से Snap homework को चेक करते रहोगे, ठीक है? Today only I'll share. Please make the notes.
Ma'am, we will write activities also.
No.
And we will.
Beta, whatever I will give you as a homework, I will write those questions over there. Okay, from there only you just try to, whatever questions are given over there, that question only you try to do. Okay, and in the meantime, you all are having your, I think everyone got the NCERT textbook.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, किसी ना किसी तरह से आप उपाय कर लो उसका, because once the textbook will be with you, you will easily understand it, because we all are knowing the situation is not so good till now, so maybe we will have to continue for this. ये अभी चलेगा ऐसे ही.
Register copy.
Yes, so you will do one thing, beta. Everyone, books are, I think notebooks, the shops are open even for 1 hour, 2 hours during the daytime, the shops are open. Okay, try to purchase the notebook. Chemistry, 2 notebooks you have to make. विजय बुक पैलेस तो यहाँ टाउनशिप वाला खुलता है बेटा दिन में 1-2 घंटे.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
आउट ऑफ बेगूसराय नहीं खुलता है.
ठीक है, बाहर नहीं खुल रहा है, इट्स ओके. ट्राई टू गेट इट, और अगर नहीं मिल रहा है तो आपके पास पुरानी कॉपी है, लास्ट ईयर की खाली कॉपी है, आप उसी में लिखो, बाद में वो सारा पेजेस हम लोग स्टेपल करके और नोट्स बना लेंगे केमिस्ट्री. See, whatever possibilities are there with you, you go for that.
Ma'am, we will make a homework copy also.
होमवर्क कॉपी अभी बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है, अभी एक ही कॉपी बनाओ और उसी कॉपी में सारा क्लास वर्क, होमवर्क सब उसी कॉपी में लिखोगे. ठीक है? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So I will share it on the Snap homework now that we are running with the time. So I'll share all these things on the Snap homework. You try to copy down from there, and whatever questions I'll give you, you try to write all the answers. ठीक है? और जहाँ डाउट होगा आप नेक्स्ट क्लास में मुझसे पूछ लोगे.
मैम
हाँ बोलो.
मैम हम लोग को रजिस्टर वाला कॉपी बनाना है या जो सिंपल कॉपी जो लास्ट ईयर
अवेलेबल है. एक्चुअली में स्टैंडर्ड 9 से रजिस्टर वाली कॉपी हम लोग स्कूल में शुरू करते हैं, लेकिन अभी का सिचुएशन और हमेशा का सिचुएशन अलग अलग रहता है. अगर आपके पास रजिस्टर है, अवेलेबल हो सकता है, आप बना लो. नहीं अवेलेबल है, नहीं पॉसिबल है, जो पुरानी कॉपी है आप उसमें लिखो, लेकिन लिखने का काम करते चलो, अदरवाइज एट अ टाइम लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स विल बी देयर. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we end the meeting now?
Yes,
Because
ma'am.
some of your friends are not joining, so please if you can manage them, you tell them. ठीक है, बहुत कम पार्टिसिपेंट्स आ रहे हैं स्टैंडर्ड 9 से. ठीक है, अगर आप उनको मैसेज कर सकते हो तो प्लीज उनको बता दो टाइमिंग वगैरह. ठीक है, shall we end now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, mom.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Have a safe day.
Same to you. एक मिनट पहले